Oh, my Barbie is standing with her handbag, which I did. Oh, it's really nice with her combination. Oh, it's really fantastic. Friends, if you're not subscribed to my channel till now, please subscribe to my Crafty channel now. Hi friends, welcome to Crafty channel. Today I will show you how to do this bag for Barbie. See how nice it is. This dress also I did. In next video I will show you how to do this dress. In this video I will show you how to do this bag for your Barbie. Let's start. For this you'll need red color paper, A4 sheet, black marker or black sketch, anything, scissors, yellow sketch, pencil and eraser, and hot glue gun. Now take A4 sheet and draw Hello Kitty. Before your drawing, please fold your paper into half like this. Now draw. If you want smaller than this, you can also do smaller than this. Now draw nose and both eyes. Now trace the outline with black sketch. Now trace the eyes with a black sketch. Color it the same in other eyes. Trace the nose with black sketch. Now take the yellow sketch for nose. Color it. Take the scissors and cut this. We got two papers of Hello Kitty. Now do like this in here. We want this paper, don't put in the dustbin. We got another Hello Kitty picture like this. We got two. Now take this red color paper and fold like this. Now here you're having one strip. Handle. Another big strip. For this basement. I am having two strips for basement and handle. Now take this paper again and fold it into half. this bow like this with a black sketch. Now we have two bows. Now take them and now paste it. Wow, it's so cute. Hello Kitty. Now like this here. Now it's ready almost. Now turn over the Hello Kitty. Now take pencil and draw like this. Take that stripe and stick in hot glue. Almost our bag is ready. A big bag. Okay. Now we need to do this. More hair for Hello Kitty. Here I have cut this into 12 pieces of stripes. Now we are having black paper. You can also do it black with stripes. If you are not having, take white A4 sheet and cut into the stripe and color this with black. Now I colored this into black. Now let's start sticking here. Right here. Now like this in back side. Now I finished sticking for this also. Now the handle for this handbag. We already have cut one stripe for handle. No? I want this much. Now folded this into four. Now put them for this. Stick here and do here. Now your handbag is ready for your Barbie. Let's put it for your Barbie. Wow, it's very nice for your Barbie. It's so beautiful for your Barbie.